friends, this is Dr. Abdegh. I am Chimthanawala. Today, I will take a very simple case of a wart. I had a case of wart. The wart was large, it had large wart, a very fleshy wart. Now, if you have a case of a large wart, if you see in the Mater Medica, you have drugs like Dulcamara, Causticum and Calcare. He had a large wart here, already taken treatment, so there was no change as such. So he came to me, large wart near the neck. It was substantially large. So if you see the Mater Medica, we have Calcare, we have Causticum and we have Dulcamara. Now, if you are a routine prescriber, you definitely will choose from one of the three drugs, or sometimes you can choose for Thuja also. But these are the main three marking drugs in the Mater Medica. And the wart was fleshy. So again, large wart you can remember Dulcamara, nitric acid, Thuja, Causticum. Fleshy warts, if you think again the same drugs, Dulcamara, Causticum and Calcare. So if you see this case, the case had the wart was large and the wart was fleshy, and it was not coming out, it was like on the skin like that, so it was flat. Now there are drugs for flat wart also, like Dulcamara, again Causticum, Sepia and Thuja. Now if you repetize all the three rubrics like flat wart, large wart, fleshy wart, two drugs that will come in your repetition chart, that would be Dulcamara and Causticum. But when I prescribed these drugs, it failed. So the case was there in front of us, where the warts was flat, large and fleshy. So when the case came to me, my assistant could not cure it, so it came to me. I again saw the case and the rubrics taken were absolutely nice, proper, but we had to have all the three rubric symptoms in one drug. On repetizing this case, on seeing Mater Medica, there was a very rare drug given in small letters, that is Verucinum. 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 It is a nosode, Verucinum. In that, a very what do you call, a drug which is very not proved properly, but it has a very classical symptom in its proving on skin, and that is warts. And it has all the three symptoms which no other drug which I told you, like Sepia or Calcare or Thuja or Causticum or Dulcamara had. That was all the three symptoms was present in this drug, Verucinum, that is warts flat, warts large and warts fleshy. Verucinum 2 doses at an interval of 2 months. On the 4th month the patient came, the warts were totally cured, which is suffered from 6 to 7 years. A very rare drug I learned from that case, and that was Verucinum. Thank you my friends, please do share and subscribe.